Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start immediately by heating the pan to medium-high so flavors bloom. Once hot, add 1-2 tablespoons neutral oil. Add minced garlic and white parts of green onion, stirring for 30 to 45 seconds to release aroma. Then spoon in 1-2 tablespoons Schezwan sauce depending on spice tolerance. This concentrates flavor when it hits hot oil. You want that quick sizzle to temper raw heat and build a savory base before introducing proteins or veggies. Once aromatics and sauce are fragrant, add your chosen protein so it sears and takes on that umami crust. You want 2 to 3 minutes per side for thin cuts. Make sure to push ingredients aside so the sauce can caramelize briefly. This develops depth. Next, add vegetables that cook quickly. Stir fry until bright and crisp tender, about 2 to 4 minutes. Finally, deglaze with 1 to 2 tablespoons soy or water to loosen fond, and you finish by stirring in a teaspoon of sesame oil and tossing with chopped green onions, then squirt a little lime to brighten flavors. Let the pan rest for 1 to 2 minutes so everything melds. If the dish is too spicy, make sure to dilute with 2 to 4 tablespoon broth or a spoon of yogurt. If too salty, add a pinch of sugar or more starch like rice. Serve immediately over rice or noodles and enjoy the balanced heat and tang.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.